So if you just boot a new PC or you're installing a fresh copy of Microsoft Windows 11 and you hit that screen where Microsoft politely asks you for your email address, but the next button is grayed out until you connect to the internet. It's like being invited to a party but being told you can only come if you have 3 friends, which you don't actually have. It's annoying, right? Well, today on Ultra Blue Tech, I'm going to show you perfectly legal, super simple trick called OOBE bypass that lets you skip this requirement entirely and create a good old-fashioned local account. My name is Dartoes and welcome to Ultra Blue Tech. First, I'll show you where the magic command works in Windows 11 setup progress. I'll explain what OOBE actually means because knowing why it works is half fun. Then I'll walk you through the exact keystroke step by step, and finally I'll be celebrating with you as you create a local account without any internet connection. Now, before you go all Mr. Robot kind of vibe, I want to let you know that this is completely a legitimate method that works on current versions of Windows 11. You're not hacking anything, you are just using a built-in accessibility feature smartly. So, you are here at this screen. Let's connect you to a network. Normally, you'd have to connect to a Wi-Fi or Ethernet to continue, but watch this. Instead of connecting to a network, we are going to press Shift plus F10 on our keyboard. This is a universal Windows shortcut that opens the command prompts during installation. Now boom, look at that. Now we have a command prompt window. This is our backstage pass to the Windows setup process. Now you might be wondering, what is OOBE? OOBE stands for Out of Box Experience. That's the technical name for this whole setup wizard we are going to go through right now. It's all the screens asking you for region, keyboard, and count. So when you type OOBE bypass and arrow, we are essentially telling the setup wizard, hey, skip the network requirements for this out of the box experience. Let me break it down even simpler. OOBE tells the system we are talking about the setup progress. Then bypass NRO means bypass network requirements online. It's like a secret handshake that Microsoft actually built into Windows for accessibility reasons. Now, let's type it in. Don't worry about capitalization, it's not case sensitive. Then when you're done, just press enter and you see the command execute quickly, and then the system will automatically reboot. The system is now restarting the startup progress, but this time with our bypass activated. Okay, we are back to the beginning. Let's go through the initial steps again. Select your region, keyboard, layouts, all the normal stuffs, and now you are back to let's connect you to a Windows setup. But look closely, something is different. See that new option at the bottom? I don't have internet connection. That wasn't there before. That's our golden ticket. Let's click on that. Now it asks you if you want to set up for limited experience. Click continue with limited setup, and just like that, you've bypassed the internet requirements. Now we can create a local account with a username and password, just like the good old days. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, some people prefer local account for privacy reasons. Others might be setting up a computer that won't have access to internet, or maybe you just don't want your Windows experience tied to your Microsoft account. However your reason is, it's your choice, and now you know how to exercise it. If this simple trick saves you from frustration, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps other people find it. And if you are into practical tech tips which gives you more control over your device, subscribe to Ultra Blue Tech and ring the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. If you have any questions about Windows 11 or any other topic, drop them in the comment below. I'll read every single one and I'll reach out to you. Thanks for watching. This is Dartoes from Ultra Blue Tech, reminding you that sometimes the big tech solutions are the simple ones. Stay curious.